In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Autosave in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool for project management and collaboration, and managing your changes efficiently can make a big difference in your workflow. Autosave is a handy feature that ensures your work isn't lost and that your changes are saved automatically. Let's walk through the process step by step, so you won't have to worry about remembering to save your work manually anymore. First, what you'll want to do is go to your Smartsheet home. This is your starting point and where you can access all your sheets, reports, and dashboards. It's like your central hub for everything Smartsheet. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your account icon. Clicking this icon will lead you into accessing more personalized settings that are specific to your account. After you click on your account, a menu will pop up and you need to select Personal Settings. This area is where you can tailor Smartsheet functionalities according to your preferences. Next, head over to Settings. In this menu, you're going to find a plethora of options to optimize how Smartsheet works for you. The goal here is to make Smartsheet as efficient and user-friendly as possible for your needs. Now, look for the option that says Auto Save after 3 minutes inactivity. There should be a checkbox next to it which you need to make sure is selected. This ensures that after 3 minutes of not interacting with your screen, Smartsheet will automatically save any changes you've made. If you notice that 3 minutes is highlighted or underlined, it means it's a clickable element. Click on it if you'd like to set a different period of inactivity before autosaving kicks in. This allows you to customize the timing to better suit your workflow. Additionally, there's another setting you might find useful. You'll find a checkbox to autosave my changes when I leave a sheet, report, or dashboard. Selecting this will save your progress as soon as you navigate away, providing an additional layer of security for your data. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, one final step is necessary. Make sure to click on Save. Doing so will apply all your newly customized autosave settings, ensuring that your preferences are locked in. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled autosave in Smartsheet. This small but powerful adjustment will give you peace of mind knowing that your work is always being backed up automatically. Enjoy a more seamless and worry-free experience while working within Smartsheet.